Question number first. Which of this is not a function of the skeleton system? A. Mineral storage. B. Protection of organs. C. Movement. D. Metabolism. And the answer is D. Metabolism. Question number second. What type of tissue is cartilage? A. Muscular. B. Epithelial. C. Connective. D. Nervous. And answer is C. Question number third. The presence of what makes the matrix of bones hard? A. Phosphate. B. Chondroitin. C. Calcium. D. Sodium salt. And the answer is C. Calcium salt. Question number 4. The presence of what makes the matrix of cartilage slightly pliable? A. Chondroitin salt. B. Phosphate salt. C. Calcium salt. D. Sodium salt. And the answer is A. Chondroitin salt. Question number 5. How many bones do we have? Option A. 273. B. 270. C. 206. D. 201. And answer is C. 206. Question number 6. How many bones are present in the axial skeleton? A. 126. B. 65. C. 80. D. 106. And answer is C. 80. Question number 7. Which of these bones are not a part of axial skeleton? A. Clavicle. B. Skull. C. Sternum. D. Ribs. And the answer is A. Clavicle. Question number 8. How many facial bones does the skull possess? A. 22. B. 8. C. 12. D. 14. And the answer is D. 14. Question number 9. What is the shape of the hyoid bone? A. S shape. B. L shape. C. U shape. D. C shape. And the answer is C. U shape. Question number 10. How many occipital condyles do humans possess? Option A. 4. B. 1. C. 3. D. 2. And answer is D. Question number 11. How many vertebrae do humans possess? A. 33. B. 30. C. 26. D. 22. And the answer is C. Question number 12. What is the central hollow portion of each vertebra known as A. Spinal canal. B. Vertebral canal. C. Neural canal. D. Axial canal. And the answer is C. Question number 13. Which vertebra articulate with the occipital condyles? A. Atlas. B. Axis. C. Sacral vertebra. D. Coccygeal vertebra. Answer is A. Atlas. Question number 14. How many regions is the vertebral column divided into? A. 6. B. 5. C. 7. D. 4. And the answer is B5. Question number 15. The axial skeleton is comprised of bones. A. 90. B. 126. C. 60. D. 80. And the answer is D. 80. The axial skeleton is structured from bones. A. 20. B. 40. C. 60. D. 80. And the answer is D. 80. Question number 17. Besides the brain, the skull also protects. Option A. The diaphragm. B. The body cells. C. The sense organs. D. The lungs. Answer is C. The sense organs. Question number 18. What is the name of joints between the ribs and sternum? A. Cartilaginous joint. B. Synovial joints. C. Fibrous joint. D. Angular joint. Answer is A. Question number 19. Bone related with skull is? Option A. Coracoid. B. Atlas. B. Pterygoid. D. Arytenoid. And the answer is C. Question number 20. The type of joints between the human skull bones is called A. Cartilaginous. B. Hinge joint. C. Synovial joint. D. Fibrous joint. And answer is D. Question number 21. The skull, thorax and vertebral column are part of the skeleton. A. Axial. B. Appendicular. C. Central. D. Complete. And the answer is A. Axial. The bones of cranium are joined by A. Ligaments. B. Tendons. C. sutures. D. Cartilage. Answer is C. Sutures. Question number 23. The human vertebrae are classified as which type of bone? Option A. Long. B. Irregular. C. Flat. D. Short. Answer is B. Irregular. Question number 24. The sternum is a very important bone that protects the A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Lungs. D. Liver. And the answer is B. Question number 25. Lateral bending of the vertebral column. A. Lordosis. B. Kyphosis. C. Scoliosis. D. Lumbalgosis. Answer is C. Question number 26. Excreted lumbar curvature of the spine. A. Lordosis. B. Kyphosis. C. Scoliosis. D. Lumbalgosis. And answer is A. Question number 27. The plates tail lattice of bone found in spongy bone are called A. Concentric lamella. B. Lacune. C. Trabecule. D. Osteins. And answer is C. Trabecule. Question number 28. Which of the following bone is associated with hip replacement surgery? And the answer is A. Patella, B. Sternum, C. femur, D. fibula, and answer is C. femur. Question number 29. Joints that allow the most movement are called as A. Amphiarthrosis, B. Diarthrosis, C. Synarthrosis, and the answer is B. Question number 30. The appendicular skeleton consists of A. The bones of the arms, B. The bones of the legs, C. The bones of the hands, D. All of the above. And answer is D.